Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha. So, if you are in New York City, okay, this is for New York folks, because they have a new system in New York City. If you want to be a DOE vendor, if you want to work for the Department of Education, if you want to, provide services for the kids, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, I'm just sitting here doing invoices, right? So they have a new system called Polaris, the vendor portal. Okay. It used to be PEPS, which is like the passport, right? And now we have to upload all the invoices. We got to upload the service agreement. We got to upload the work orders, and we got to upload the sign-in sheets, right? So that's work in itself, right? But they said this is going to be a better system because you're able to see, it being under review. You're able to see, if your money was paid out or not, because before you wasn't able to see none of that. Before you had to send it to the Bronx AP, the Brooklyn AP, the Queens AP, Staten Island AP, Manhattan AP. So you had to send it to all of these different email addresses, which your email could have got lost in the sauce because think about this. In each central office that's processing invoice, they have two people. Two freaking people, which is insane to me. Two people. That needs shit don't even make no sense, right? So they got two people, right? So in Bronx, they got two. Brooklyn, they got two. Queens, they got two, right? So they got all these people processing hundreds of thousands of invoices weekly and monthly, right? So that system was too slow because it was taking you 6 weeks to 2-3 months to get paid. So if you did something in February, you wasn't getting paid till like April, right? So now, according to this new Polaris system, they're saying that people can get paid in 30 days. Okay, well, let's see. I feel like we're in the 21st century. Once you submit your purchase order, once the school certifies your purchase order, because the principal got to certify it, once they do that, you should be paid out within 2-3 days. It shouldn't be 30 days, 6 weeks, 6 months. I'm hearing people taking a whole year to get paid just $500. So it's very frustrating, right? But here's what I always tell people, right? Have your stuff in order, right? Make sure that you're organized. Make sure you either hire like a virtual assistant or somebody. If you're not like a good organizer, make sure all of your stuff is